The city now has a green light once again to move forward with its vaccination mandate for all public school personnel. And union leaders say they will work with their members to ensure the schools open up safely and that they get the schools running safely, because keep in mind, many of the teachers are still unvaccinated. And now, as we know, this vaccination mandate deadline is looming. Over 150,000 educators and staff in the nation's largest school district are once again required to receive at least one dose of a COVID-19 vaccine. Mayor Bill de Blasio's vaccine mandate was put on hold over the weekend after complaints from groups of teachers, pushing back a Monday deadline to receive the first dose. Then a federal appeals panel lifted the suspension, ruling the city can move forward with its plan.
We're going to give folks till the end of Friday. The folks who work in our public schools, now you heard the good news today, we already have a very high level of vaccination across all the professions in our public schools. We expect to be hearing more and more that will confirm even higher levels of vaccination than we've already confirmed.
According to the Department of Education, over 87% of its employees, 91% of teachers, and 97% of principals have been vaccinated, and those numbers continue to rise every day. The United Federation of Teachers Union says given the potential shortage of unvaccinated personnel, only about 1/3 of teachers believe schools can open without disruption. Attorney Louis Gelormino represents thousands of teachers who strongly oppose the city's strict COVID-19 requirement. He plans on filing an appeal with the Supreme Court.
Every single one of them about to lose their jobs because they do not want to get vaccinated, when there is a simple solution of giving a testing option, which would put them in the same position as the rest of the teachers in New York State and the rest of the teachers in this country.
Even with the mandate, some public school parents with medically compromised children say vaccines aren't enough, and the city needs to do more to protect the students who could be learning remotely.
You still aren't addressing the fact that there is overcrowding in these public schools, why we don't have the ability to outsource or figure out another way with remote learning so that we can lessen the stress on the system and have these crowded hallways.
And again, school leaders say that the workers have until the day's end on Friday to get that vaccination. So by Monday, October 4th, all employees will be protected against COVID-19. We're live in Lower Manhattan. Rebecca Solomon, Pix 11 News.